Stock investing and stock market predictions. Last week we had a downturn in the stock market, so we're gonna look at companies that reported earnings last week, and we're gonna look at 5 companies that's gonna be reported earnings this week, and which company do I think are great, and which of them could be really go up after earnings. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below.
Welcome to the galaxy's favorite.
Okay, so stock market the past 5 days it was down 0.76%. S&P 500 but it stayed up 14.75% year to date. So it's performing better than real estate. Real estate maybe 7% to 10% could be considered really good annually. The past 5 years, 89.29%. Remember this number. When we look at companies, great companies tend to beat S&P 500 over the past 5 years. Not all companies that beat S&P 500 are great, but great companies over long term beat S&P 500 over the past 5 years. So this is a number that we're gonna compare. Nasdaq, hey, the past 5 days it was down 1.95%. Year to date, look at this. Hey, 18.77%. Hey, better than S&P 500. 5 year, hey, better than S&P 500. 92.17%. These are Nasdaq comprise mainly technology companies. Dow Jones, the past 5 days, hey, it's positive. Only stock markets that's positive over the past 5 days, 0.11%. Year to date, 11.22%. 5 years, 61.11%. Yeah, I made over 2,200 over the past 5 trading days. So the stock market was okay. Who wants to make over 2,000 working from home, traveling around the world 1 to 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day? Comment down below. And subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more how to make money anywhere around the world. So last week stock market, the government shut down. Okay, then government reopened. Lots of many Federal Reserve president, they don't want to cut interest rate because they don't see the data because of government shutdown. Plus, they are afraid that inflation is not going down as much as they like, and economy is going strong. So this is why rate cut could be in doubt. So that's why stock market got nervous and went down a little bit. And of course, AI stocks they went down because of AI bubble fears. Okay, so usually when everybody fears, it's not gonna happen. When everybody do not expect to happen, it will happen. Okay, that's usually the case with stock markets. Last week, no data came out. Only the Federal Reserve President speaking about it. So, MBIs it went down the past 5 days. Look at this. Year to date, it stayed up. So remember, when a stock becomes a public company, a company becomes a public company. Usually, the shareholders, and the owners of the company, they will catch up. So you only sell your company, you only sell something when you believe that you are getting more than what is really worth. So IPO, I personally prefer not to buy because I'm pretty sure that they only sell it at the best time for them and the most value they will get. So last year it was like 2024, yeah, 1920. The stock pulled back a little bit. If it gets to below 40, I will be interested. Okay, I will be interested because it doesn't have a track record. One of my criteria is it has to be at least 5 years as a public company. So it doesn't have a 5 years track record yet, but I could think about it if it goes down to a certain point, $30 maybe. Yeah, so just gonna keep it in my watch list. Year to date is pretty up. Next one, Cisco. They reported good earnings, so that's why it went up. Sake, it went down. Look at this. They just came public company this year, $100 plus, right? So $80 is just below their IPO price. Just below their IPO price. If it gets to $50, I may be really interested. Okay. Next one, Disney, down 4.7%. This one doesn't be by S&P 500, so I'm not interested. AMAC, it went down because of China concern. 5 years it beat S&P 500, yeah. So there is always a great opportunities. Next week we're gonna have some Federal Reserve Vice Chair, President speak about it, and we're gonna have some data coming out because governments will open. Okay, Wednesday, Thursday, another report. So we will have a clear idea how they are going to decide about the December rate cut. So hopefully they get good data and probably low inflation. Then rate cut could be back into play. Stock number 5, Trip.com. Okay, gonna be reported earnings this coming week. Year to date at 11.21%. This is based in Shanghai, China. It's a Chinese company. 5 year it beat S&P 500. It pays dividend, but I tend to go away from Chinese company because their policy is not stable. So basically, I may not touch it for now. But trading wise, possibly we could do trading. Okay. Stock number 4, XPEV, or even Elon Musk like XPEV company. So year to date up 116%. 5 year it doesn't beat S&P 500. So it's out of the question. So I'm not interested if it doesn't beat S&P 500. Home Depot year to date down 6.72%. Not really good real estate market, but when real estate market recovers, this could possibly recover. The past 5 years, it doesn't beat S&P 500. But for retirement, if you want to get dividend and want a stable company, right? Stable in terms of, this has been around for a long time. And the stock price moves quite a lot. So if it goes to 270 around that time, that's probably a very good support area, right? 270, very good support area. The long-term chart, look at this. I like this chart, going to heaven in a staircase. So you can think about it. Not my type. This is not financial advice, but for retirement could be okay. PDD is a Chinese stock, but the headquarters in Dublin, Ireland. Holdings year to date 35.15% up. 5 year it doesn't beat S&P 500. No, not really like it, but I really like this one, NVDA. Year to date 37.5% up. 5 year, it just beat S&P 500, and that's that easy. Probably almost all companies, it beat a lot. So I believe that NVIDIA is gonna report raise their guidance, and the stock could jump. The jump may not be a lot, but most likely it's gonna jump. That's what I believe, because it recently it pulled back too. So pullback is a very good room for the jump too. So what could we do? I could sell put options on NVIDIA, and I still have lots of NVIDIA, so I will just call them. And when I buy call option, not so sure yet. I haven't decided yet. If I decide, I will post the alert in my patrons. So if you want to learn more what I buy, what I profit, you can go to my Patreon. The link will be in the YouTube description comment down below. If you want to learn more about stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option, day trading movement stock, go to my playlist, Master Risk Stock Option Crypto, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.